What's going on, guys? It's your boy again with another video. We got more mods for my Mustang. So this time, as you guys saw, well, let's go over the Mustang real quick. We got new wheels, as you guys saw in one of the other videos. So we got new wheels, new tires, and we also just put on this brand new exhaust. Look at that. Hey, that's crazy. So it is from MBRP, and now we got quad tips instead of just a single exit on each side of the bumper. So that's pretty dope. And this sounds so loud, bro. It's crazy. Like, look, there's no muffler. I mean, there's a little muffler, but it's like right down there. But anyways, for today, for this video, we just got a front lip from, what is it, MP Concepts. I already opened the box. So MP Concepts, I got it from, I think it was like the American Muscle website. It was one of the more cheaper, more economic front lips for the Mustang, because in my Type R, here, I'll show you real quick. What happened was, I was gonna go park, and then as I was parking, I always park backwards, but this time for some reason I decided to just pull forward instead, and I hit the front lip in the curb, and I kind of smacked it. Look. So I kind of smacked it right here. Piece is gone. And I smacked it right here too. So after that happened, I was like, you know what? I don't want to, because I saw some carbon fiber ones. They look really nice, but bro, they're like $500, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to spend $500 on a front lip just so I can go and break it, you know. So we got this one. So we got this one here. It was like 100. I think it was like 120 or 130 bucks. So it wasn't that bad. But it does come as a 3-piece. Let me put all these on the floor so you guys can see how it looks. All right, guys. So this is how that front lip's gonna look. I like this. I like how it looks like it has like a lip and then like a splitter in the bottom. But before we even get started on doing the front lip, I gotta help my brother. So we're wrapping this WRX. If you guys don't know, well, follow me on my social media. Instagram, JR6P. We're trying to start like a wrap shop, so we have been wrapping cars. So for example, this one is a 2018 WRX. So we got everything in pieces. We took the wing out, all the door panels out so that we can take the door handles out and like all that kind of stuff. So for example, like they're finishing up the door handles are off, taillights are off, door handles off. The front hood scoop is off. It's coming out clean. Now look at that. So that butt, I do have to take off the shark fin antenna, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And all right, so we are inside the Subaru of the back seat. So we have to take this door handle out. There's a couple tabs you take out to take that out. We're gonna pull this trim panel right here out. Gonna take that out. I already popped these 3 clips here, so we can just take them out, and the headliner's gonna pop in the back. Take that, this piece right here, take that out, and then this thing here, take this out. And then that's car, man. I really wanted a WRX back in the day. And this guy has it really well taken care of. It's a 5-speed, what, 6-speed? No, 6-speed. It's a 6-speed. Pretty sure he's got it tuned. I can see that cob tuner right there. Yeah, buddy. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. I ended up not doing the lip install yesterday. I kind of had to leave, but I did finish taking off the antenna. It was kind of a pain, I'm not gonna lie. I just couldn't take off one of the connects. I couldn't figure it out. But hey, guys, so we have the car lifted up. We got the lip right there. We're gonna go ahead and start removing everything that we gotta remove. Here, let's get down here. So we got all these 7mm. Like all these, and then all those down there. I got all the bolts out. I got pretty much all the hardware out. So I should just be able to push this down. There we go. Woo. That is dirty. Let's throw that over there. And then, what do we gotta do here? I think I gotta Oh yeah, okay, I see some 7mm, so we're gonna take some 7mm out, and then after that I'm pretty sure we can just push this out the way. There was 2 more 7mm I didn't see. They're like all the way back, and I was pulling and pulling. I was like, why is this thing not coming out? But I found those 2 7mm. I took them out, and now it's just coming out. Bro, it's been like at least 30 minutes, bro. But there we go. So this is the OEM one, and then this is the aftermarket one. I was gonna put the whole no wait. I was gonna put the whole thing in like, no. I was just gonna put like everything all together, but I'm just gonna do it piece by piece. I saw a video in the instructions. It says just do one piece by piece. It'll be easier. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Hopefully we do the right thing here. There we go. I'm pretty sure it just clips. There we go. There we go. See? Now we got one piece done. So this, you just clip it on. It's just so hard though. There we go. Clip, clip, clip. Put the camera down a little bit. There we go. So in the chin spoiler, right at the bottom, there's a place where both parts meet. So you just put the screw through there, and you put the nut to the other side. There we go, just like that. Let me make sure it's tight though. There we go. Alright guys, so we are underneath the car again. Now everything has been set on this end. Now we just have to put this undershield back on. Wow. Let me see where this goes though. Where does this go? Oh, bro, I'm slow. It goes up here. Alright guys, so this is the final outlook. Bro, tell me, the wheel gap looks kind of crazy because the car was just up in the air. But tell me that fitment don't look clean, at least in the front lip. Bro, that looks so much more aggressive. Like, bro, the front end looks crazy now. It's going to be the end of the video. Oh, I got no energy, man. I want to go sleep. But thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Let me know what's the next mod that we should do to the car. Actually, before I end the video, I want to put the sticker on the windshield. Well, the back windshield. And then the MBRP one that I got when I did the exhaust. So I want to put both in the back windshield, just like I did with the Type R. I'll show you real quick. So here in the Type R, I got like the Honda, the PRL, the Casinto, and then the AWE. The exhaust, and the carbon fiber fenders, the intake, and then the tune. So I want to do that with this one too. So as we keep putting more parts in it, I want to put all the stickers of the part that we've done to it. Say bye, mama. I don't think she wants to say bye. She's just lying on the floor. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Drop a like, follow, and again, let me know what the next mod should be. Bye.